Hey, Alex, just Alex here, stand-up comedian. I'm here in Anchorage, Alaska. I'm excited because I think I found a way to do drive-in comedy. So people can get out of the house, stay in their cars, safe from infection and isolated from everyone else, and get comedy broadcast live from a stage into their car stereo. I'm going to show you the test that we just did so you know it works, and then I'll walk you through the setup and all the pieces and where I bought them. We're doing our first show this Saturday, but I want to put a video out so that you could, or other people could do this in their own towns. Okay, so here's our setup.
Yep.
We got lighter going back to some daisy chain splitter stuff, and a power going to a board and a microphone, and it's all coming out of this little transmitter from Best Buy. And proper social distancing. Get on the mic.
All right, I have aggressive dogs, not aggressive dogs, I aggressively have dogs. And now I'm talking into a microphone, broadcasting to just Alex's car. As we drive away, we'll see how far we can get this thing.
All right, so we're breaking up a little bit here, but we're pretty far away.
We are here to do an
and we can put the truck in the center, have people circled around it.
Well, here in Alaska, we have drive-in comedy shows. People honking their horns with laughter. There we go! We got.
Let's take a closer look at our setup. So the idea is you'd have a pickup truck, a monster truck if you want to be cool, not required. Got a comic with a mic, got a 12-volt cigarette lighter port. I've got an extension so that can go outside the cab of the truck and sit on the roof. Okay, I got that socket extender from AutoZone. All these three things were from AutoZone. I then got a splitter so I can plug this thing that converts 12 volt into your standard wall socket. Okay, so I split one there, and the other one plug goes to the actual transmitter. So you're going to need some type of mixer board, something with volume, something with an XLR input, or whatever your mic is, okay? And something that outputs to a headphone jack. That's usually going to involve a 1/4 inch to 1/8 inch there. And then both these go to this little puppy. The iSimple FM transmitter looks small, reaches at least 100 feet, especially when you're on 107.9. The lower frequencies did not go as far. And by that, you go all the way from the mic through your mixer board with volume control into the car stereos of delighted and plague-free comedy fans.